What's up, guys? Remember to like, subscribe, ding the bell, all that good stuff. This is going to be a kind of short video. If you notice, I am not recording with my Insta360 One X. So, here's what happened. I was just making a motovlog video a few minutes ago, and I was using my Insta360 One X on the motorcycle mounts that came with the Motorcycle Madness bundle, and the mount broke, and my brand new camera flew to the ground and is now destroyed. So I've had the camera for 3 days. One issue that I had with it at first was that I could not get it to connect to Wi-Fi so I could connect it on the app, which was pretty frustrating, but I was still using the camera, just using the sync cable to run it to my PC. But then today, the mount broke and the camera fell to the ground. It's a very delicate camera with lenses that stick out on the sides of it, and it was destroyed. So, who knows? I really like the camera. You know, I was making really cool videos with it. I only got to make a couple of videos. I've only had it for 3 days, and it was destroyed today. And the worst part is I don't even have the footage from when it fell and was destroyed, because it, I guess from the impact or whatever happened, it destroyed the micro SD card and nothing was saved. So I don't even have that. So yeah, not really in a great mood. Went back to the house, tried to see how bad the damage was. It was pretty destroyed. And I got back on the bike, turned the GoPro on, figured I'd go for a little ride for a minute, kind of cool down since that happened today. Super frustrating, but what can you do? Hey, cop. Same cop that was just in front of me on my street. But yeah, you know, I'm trying not to be too upset about it, whatever. Things like this happen. I'm hoping, really hoping, that Insta360 One's customer service will make this right and replace the item, because I mean, it was being used on our normal motorcycle riding. I wasn't doing anything crazy. The mounts are supposed to be designed for a motorcycle. It came in the Motorcycle Madness bundle, so I would think that they would make this right and replace my camera, or I'm hoping. But they're on China time, so they're actually not open until later tonight, when customer service will respond to my email. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, that's how my Sunday's going. But I still want to record something, you know, get our little Suzuki Sunday motor vlog. So maybe I go on a little ride with a GoPro real quick. Apparently we're gonna ride behind a cop the whole time. Whatever. Oh no, he's leaving. More important matters to attend to. Man, I'm upset about that camera. I didn't even get to play with it very much, but the little bit that I did was super cool. So hopefully it gets resolved. I'd really hate to have to spend another almost $500 on another one, but honestly I think I will if I have to, because I really like that camera. A lot of traffic out today for Sunday. That was another thing that was frustrating, is when I first dropped it, I noticed it wasn't behind me anymore, and I turned around to try to find it and couldn't find it, and there was traffic, so I couldn't go slow enough to get a good look at it and look at the side of the road and try to see it. I pulled over and called my wife, and then I went back through again, and as soon as I turned on the road, I saw it laying on the side of the road in the storm drain. But it's completely destroyed. As you can see in the pictures, the lenses are really scratched up, and I think it did some internal damage because, like I said, it wouldn't load the files off of the camera. So anyway, though, I hope you enjoy this little ride, and hopefully I'll have some Insta360 footage again soon, as soon as I can get the camera fixed or replaced or purchase another one or whatever I have to do. So Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you can get notified when we put out new videos. Ride safe out there, everyone. Enjoy your journey. I'll see you again soon.